Hari Om students, good morning to all. Hope you all watch my previous videos. Today I am going to take a topic articles. Before getting into a topic, let me tell you something. See the sentence? He play a cricket. Is this a correct sentence? What tense is this? Present tense. Okay. Is this a correct sentence? No. According to the tense, he is what? Third person singular. So we have to add s with the verb, isn't it? He plays a cricket. Okay, now this sentence is correct? No. Cricket is what? Is a name of a game. So we should not write article before a name of a game. Okay. So he plays cricket is correct. Okay. So tense knowledge is not enough to make a sentence correctly, but you must have a complete knowledge of articles also. Okay. So let's see where do we use articles and where do we omit articles. So let's move on to the topic. What is article? See the definition. An article is a word that comes before a noun. There are two kinds of articles, definite articles and indefinite articles. In English, there is just one definite article, the. There are two indefinite articles, a and an. Definite article, the, refers to a particular person or thing. So it is called definite article. Example, the boy, the man. Indefinite article, a or an, refers to any person or thing. They are called indefinite article. Example, a tree, a boy. We pronounce definite article in two ways, the and the. See where we use the and the. If the next word starts with a vowel sound, we say the. If the next word starts with a consonant sound, we say the. See the example, the boy, the pen, the honest, the elephant, the end. Similarly, indefinite article is also like that. If the next word starts with a vowel sound, we use an. If the next word starts with a consonant sound, we use a. Note this point. Remember, a consonant sound, an vowel sound, the consonant sound, the vowel sound. Let's see some points and rules. Where do we use indefinite articles? The article a and an are used before a singular common noun. Example, a book, a boy. We use an before a singular common noun which begins with a vowel sound a, e, I, o, u. Example, an apple, an egg. Next point, an is used before a word which begins with a silent H. An or, an honor, an honest. The following words do not begin with a vowel sound. So we use a instead of an. Example, see example, a union. A union, union, U is a vowel word but there is no vowel sound. Union and umbrella, see umbrella, umbrella there is a vowel sound but union, U, there is no vowel sound. So we write a instead of an. Okay, so a union, a university, a one-legged man, a hospital. Here hospital, H is not silent. Okay, so we write a hospital, a headmaster. Next point, we use an in abbreviation beginning with the letters F, H, L, M, N, R, S and X. See example, an X-ray machine, an LMS school, and MLA. Let's see some rules. Rule number 1. Position of articles. He is a boy. He is a boy. A is what? Article. Boy, noun. Article plus noun. He is a boy. She has a car. So car is a noun. So we write article before noun. He is an honest boy. He is an honest boy. Honest boy. He is what? It's an adjective plus noun. So we write here an honest boy. Next example, see, he is honest. He is honest. Here there is no noun. So no need to write article. Okay, he is a honest. That is wrong. So according to rule, he is honest because here there is no noun. So next, he is a very honest boy. He is a very honest boy. Very is what? Adverb. Honest, adjective. Boy, noun. So here we use article. He is a very honest boy. See the second rule. What, such, many, rather plus article plus adjective or noun. See, if your sentence starts with what, such, many, rather, you have to write article. Okay. See the example. Such a boy. Such is a keyword. A you have to write. Then boy. Boy is what? Noun. Next, what a fool. What is a keyword? You have to write A. Then fool is a noun. Next, see, such a beautiful girl. Such a beautiful girl. Such is a keyword. And beautiful, adjective. Girl is a noun. Next, what an idea. What a big fool. Many a man, many men. Here, men is, the noun is in plural form. Okay, men is a noun, common noun, but it is in plural form. So, we no need to write here article. Okay, many a man. Man is a singular common noun. So, you have to write a. Here, men is in plural form. So, no need to write here article. Then rather an interesting book. Here rather is a keyword. An interesting book. In here vowel sound is there, so we write here an interesting book. Book is a noun. Next, rule number 3. How, to, has, so plus adjective plus article plus noun. See the example. How handsome a boy he is. How handsome boy he is, wrong. How handsome a boy he is. How is a keyword. Handsome is an adjective. So you have to write article. Then noun form. Okay. How handsome a boy he is. Like that. Ravi is too weak a boy. Weak. Too is what? Keyword. Too. Weak is adjective. Next you have to write article. A boy. She is as experienced a doctor. Here as as is a keyword. So you have to write next adjective. Then a doctor. He is so fine a man. He is so fine a man. So is a keyword. Fine is adjective. Then you have to write article. It is so fine a day. So already you have heard sentences like this, isn't it? But I would like to make you to understand why do we use articles here. Only because of rules. Okay. Next, rule number 4. Every, per. See the examples. He earns 15,000 rupees every month. He earns 15,000 rupees a month. The rate of sugar is 50 rupees per kg. The rate of sugar is 50 rupees a kg. So what's the difference here? See, if you use every and per, no need to use articles. Okay. And if you use article, then no need to write every and per. It's clear? See rule number 5. Before counting, expressing words or unit like 100, dozen, thousand, million, couple, etc. See the example. I have a dozen bananas. A couple of days will be enough for the work. He has a million rupees. Here dozen, couple, million shows the counting expression. So we have to write article A. Okay. Next, rule number 6, friction. Half, two and a half, quarter, five and a quarter. See, if your number is full like 5, 6, 7, 2, 3, 4, so no need to write articles before or after it. Okay. But if your number is half or quarter, you have to write article after or before it. Okay, see the example. I have half a kg rice. Here half is only mentioning. So you have to write a article after half. See, I have 1.5 kg rice. Here 1 is a full number, so no need to write here articles after or before. But here see, and a half. Here you have to write a article before half. Okay. Next, he needs half a kilo sugar. He has to go 5.25 miles a day. He walks quarter a miles a day. Here quarter is only mentioning, so you have to write a article after quarter. Okay. So hope you understand. See rule number 7. When a verb is used as a noun. See example, Mohit goes for a walk daily. Here walk is a verb, isn't it? But here works as a noun form. So you have to write a walk daily. I want to have a drink. Drink is a verb, but here works as a noun form. So you have to write a drink. He has gone for a ride. Ride is what? A verb, but here works as a noun form. So you have to write article A. Next, rule number 8, proper noun. See the example. A Rohan is waiting for you. A Mr. Khanna has come to meet you. Here, actually, we don't use article before proper noun, isn't it? But we use in some condition if the speaker is unknown to the noun. Like here, Rohan is unknown to the listener, isn't it? A Rohan is waiting for you. A Rohan is what? Is a third person, okay? And you is a second person, and first person is a listener, okay? So that first person is unknown to the third person. So that's why here we use a Rohan is waiting for you, okay? Next, rule number 9. When two adjective follows with one singular countable noun. See, example, a black and white car is running on the road. Here black and white is two adjective follows with one singular countable noun is what? Car. Okay. So, we have to place article before first adjective only. Okay, wow. A black and white car is running on the road. See example 2. An honest and intelligent teacher teaches us. Here honest and intelligent is a adjective and follows with one singular noun, that is teacher. So you have to place article before first adjective. And honest and intelligent teacher teaches us. Next, rule number 10. When two adjective follows with plural countable noun. See the example, a black and a white car are running on the road. Here black and white is an adjective, and here with plural countable, car is in plural form, okay? So we have to place article before both adjective, a black and a white. A black and a white car are running on the road. That means here two car is there, okay? Next, an honest and an intelligent teacher are teaching us. Here two teachers are there, an honest and an intelligent. So we have to place article before both adjective. It's now homework time. Fill suitable article A or an. The mobile phone is dash utility item. Question 2. He holds dash MA degree in history. 3. I tried out dash experiment. 4. My sister has gone for dash swim. Number 5. She is dash brave girl. If you have any doubt, you will call or message in my WhatsApp. So this is a grammar topic. So once it's not enough, go through twice or thrice. You may have understood the topic automatically. Okay. So that's all today's class. I will continue article part 2 in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.